Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. We have these 3 buckets that have surprise inside them. Let's say the colors of the buckets. Pink, purple, blue. Okay, the blue almost kind of looks like green. So, let's count them now. 1, 2, 3. We count them. Now let's see what's inside. I am ready. What should we choose? Maybe blue. Ooh. Whoa, look what's inside here. They are Skittles. I'm gonna eat one. Whoa, look at these. There's an egg. Whoa, cool. It's a surprise egg. Wow, let's put it rest. Whoa, that's a lot of Skittles. Whoa, let's see what's inside. Hear that? Shaky. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, there's another bag. It's filled with M&MS. I don't want this one. I already have one. Wow. Wow, let's eat one. Whoa, there's a lot of M&Ms. Let's pour some in here. Whoa, that's all the M&Ms? Okay, so it's all the M&Ms. Let's try one. I want to try the orange. They're good. Let's put them back. Back to the egg. Okay, we got the blue one. Now the purple. Whoa, what is this? Cars with Lightning McQueen. Oh, those are mashems. Let's open it, see what's inside. Okay. Let's open it. I think you gotta open it this way, so you gotta open it when it's sticking. Whoa, I'm very excited. Oh my gosh, it's Lightning McQueen. I don't know what is this. Whoa, it is Lightning McQueen. And it's squishy. Wait, is that water? Let's check. Oh, those are water. Whoa. Okay. Let's put it here. Wow. Now the pink one. Here it is. Let's pour it. Oh, there's another surprise egg. It almost looks like a Kinder egg. Whoa, it's kind of shaky. Now let's open it. Okay, let's take this duct tape off. Whoa, it's hard. Very hard. Oh, can you open it for me? Whoa, there's a lot of candies. Whoa. Hey, this one's crushed. Well, I guess I'll put it there. Okay. You done? Thank you. It's here. I am ready to open it. Are you kidding me? M&Ms again? I don't need this one. Okay. This one is milk. School M&M. Oh, I haven't tasted this one. It's a new flavor, I think. Whoa. Let's taste the red one. They're good and sour. The color is red. And the other one is blue. Red and blue. Let's taste both of them. They're good. But the Lightning McQueen have a lot of water. See? Look. Whoa, weird. Okay. I think this is going to be the end of the video. Subscribe. Drop a like. Smash that thumbs up button. Smash that bell button. And bye everyone. Bye. 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 Bye.